Is anything truly yours? My answer, nothing is yours. Nothing. Very simple. Your money is not yours. Your money is printed, it disappears in the air, you cannot take it when you die. Secondly, even your body is not yours. Your body in the end will die and dissolves into the ground, or if you want to be cremated, it just dissolves into the air. It's crazy. Nothing is yours. Even your own kids is not yours, because in the end it also goes away, right? So what is then true purpose of life? What is then, why are we here? And why, if nothing is yours and people are, pursuing all this money, all this stuff and all this craziness, and they think they're doing good, or even fighting or killing each other or doing or everything about power and everything. So the real meaning of life is that everybody creates their own reality. So the only thing which might be only yours is the energy you give to other people, and is the things, your reality, which you are creating, right? Because you can create whatever your reality for yourself you want. So that is then the only yours. That is maybe your soul, your spirit, and everything like this, right? So that is that 55 grams which leave your body when you die, right? So that could be it. So why don't we just start creating the best reality for yourself and help others and have positive impact on your environment? Because that energy or that spirit or that soul is the only thing you have. Because all the rest is nothingness. You have nothing. So why don't you start just focusing on positivity and stop everybody, doesn't matter who you are, you always hurting others. Even if you try to do good, you always are hurting people. And maybe really small things, or maybe you get angry or you're upset and the other person gets upset because of your negativity and your negative energy. So stop doing that, for example. Try to help others. It's very simple. If you help others, you get even better positivity and better karma back. So why not help others? It's so easy. I mean, even you can start with just opening the door for somebody. It doesn't need to be a lady, or doesn't need to be an old person. It can be for anyone. It's something so simple. And then already this small gesture already gives you more positive energy, and it might be that person will give you even more back. And if you care about materialism, I don't, but imagine if you do, then maybe that was a billionaire and it gives you, I don't know, $1 million because, oh, you're the first person who opened the door for me, and maybe we can talk, and you start a chat and you go and work for him and you get a few $1 billion in your bank account. If that is your goal, I don't see the point, but let's say it like this, right? So the only thing which is truly yours is your energy, your spirit, your soul. So make the best out of that, and that is the best you can do in this reality, and create also the reality which is best for you. Okay? Should we do it or not? Yes, let's ascend. Let's trust in ourselves. Let's ascend. So that's why I also like, for example, Yes We Trust and Ascended and all these people. Maybe they think those people are crazy, right? But I support them completely, because at least they're trying to do something good. And that's why also I like Temple Hunter, I like Ascended Tao, and I like Yes We Trust, and like projects like this. And let's just try to do something good. Yalla, let's go. Are they fishing already?